Let's make a gluten-free garlic herb roll. Start with 3 room temperature egg whites and 2.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Give them a good whisk, creating bubbles and a froth-like consistency. Next, you're going to add 1.5 cups almond flour. You really can use any gluten-free flour of choice. I added 3 tablespoons of hemp hearts for protein and 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk for fiber. I do like the golden flax meal too. Next, you're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and give everything a good mix, creating a batter-like consistency. Add 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt or sea salt of choice and give it all a good mix. Pour 1 cup of very hot water, but only add 3/4 of the cup to start. You want to see everything bubble up and incorporate, and the water will start to absorb. You can always add more. Fold everything together with your spatula and add 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. You can always add more garlic. Fold all those delicious herbs and spices into your dough and start by creating 1 ball. Make sure that it's not sticking to your hands, but it's pliable. I rolled out 8 slider rolls. You can do 4 to 6 larger size. It just depends on what you're using them for. And I placed them on a pan with parchment paper. The parchment paper is very important because the rolls will stick to the pan. You're going to add them to a 350-degree oven and you're going to bake them for 45 minutes. Once they're done, they're going to be golden brown with a nice crispy crust. Let them cool completely, which takes about 15 to 20 minutes. We love toasting them with butter, making them into pizzas. Possibilities are endless. Enjoy!